Good morning, students. Let's continue our revision. Here in page 1 in your revision sheet, question number 1. Write whether each figure is a polygon or not a polygon. Let's remember together what is a polygon. A polygon is a shape that has all its sides lines, straight lines, it has no curves, and it is a closed shape. So let's check the shapes. This shape, all the sides are straight and it is a closed shape, so this is a polygon. The next shape, it's closed but I have here a curved line, so it's not a polygon. This shape, all the sides are straight but the shape is open from here, it's not closed, so it's not a polygon. Number 2, round to the nearest 10. What shall I do here? I'm rounding to the nearest 10, so I will circle the number in the tens place, and then I will check the number to its right side. This number to the right side is either a weak number or a strong number. Let's check. If it is a weak number, so it's 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. These are the weak numbers. What happens in this case? The number in the tens place stays as it is with no change, because these numbers are weak. They couldn't change the number in the tens place. What if the numbers to the right side are 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9? These are strong numbers. What do these strong numbers do? They increase the number in the tens place by 1. They increase the number in the tens place by 1. So let's solve together. Round to the nearest 10, so I will circle the number in the tens place. Then I will check the number on the right side. Here it is 8. 8 is a weak number or a strong number? It is a strong number. So I will increase this one in the tens place by 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I will put 2 here in the tens place. And then I will put all the numbers to the right side will be 0. So I have one number at the right side. So I will put 1 0 here. So 18 rounded to the nearest 10 is 20. 61. I will circle 6 because I'm rounding to the nearest 10. Then I will check the number on the right side. 1 is a weak number or a strong number? It's a weak number. So the 6 will stay as it is. Here the 6. And here I have one number to the right side. So I will put 1 0 to the right side. So 61 rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. Yes. 41. I will circle 4 because I'm rounding to the nearest 10. I will check the number on the right side. Again it's 1. 1 is a weak number. So the 4 stays as it is. And I have one number to the right side. So I will put 1 0 to the right of the 4. So 41 rounded to the nearest 10 is 40. Super. 14. I will circle 1 because this is the number in the tens place. And then I will look at the number to the right side. 4 is a weak number or a strong number? It's a weak number. So the 1 stays as it is. And I have one number to the right side. So I will put 1 0 to the right side. So 14 rounded to the nearest 10 is 10. Here I will round to the nearest 100. So I will circle the number in the hundreds place. Then I will check the number on the right side. 1, it's a weak number. So the 5 will stay as it is, or I will add 1, I will increase. Yes, it will freeze, it will stay as it is. So I will write the 5 as it is. And I have two numbers to the right side. So I will put 2 zeros to the right side of the 5. So 514 rounded to the nearest 100 is 500. 444. I'm rounding to the nearest hundred, so I will circle 4. This first 4 in the hundreds place. Then I will check the number, the digit on the right side. It's 4. 4 is a weak or a strong number? It's a weak number. So this 4 inside the circle will freeze, stay as it is, or it will increase. I will add 1. It will freeze, it will stay as it is. So I will write 4 as it is here. And I have 2 numbers to the right side, so I will put 2 zeros to the right side. So 444 rounded to the nearest hundred is 400. 261, I'm rounding to the nearest hundred, so I will circle the digit in the hundreds place. Then check the digit on the right side. It's 6. 6 is a weak number or a strong number? Oh, it's a strong number. So the number in the hundreds place will increase. Yes, the 2 will be, I will add 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, it will be 3. And I have 2 numbers to the right side, so I will put 2 zeros to the right side. So 261 rounded to the nearest hundred is 300. Okay, the last one, 497. I'm rounding to the nearest hundred, so I will circle the number in the hundreds place. And I will check the number on the right side. What do you think? 9 is a weak number or a strong number? Oh yes, it's a strong number. So the 4 will increase. I will add 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So I will put 5 in the hundreds place. And then I have 2 numbers to the right side. I will change them into zeros. 2 zeros. So 497 rounded to the nearest hundred is 500. Okay, question 4. Now let's revise how we multiplied a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. The first step, I will put my wall so that I don't get confused. I have the units on one side and the tens on the other side. Okay, let's start always with the units. 2 times 7 is 14. Can I write 14 here? No, this place is for only 1 digit. So I will write 4 and carry up the 1 in the tens column. Okay, now I will multiply then add. 7 multiplied by 5 is, think about it, 35, and then add the 1, so it will be 36. I will write the 36 although it's 2 digits because this is my last column. I don't have any more columns here to carry up, so I write it as it is. So the answer is 364. Now 28 times 5. Build the wall. Start with the units. 8 times 5 is 40. Yes, I will put the 0 here and carry up the 4. And then 5 multiplied by 2, 10. Add the carry up. 10 plus 4 is 14. So the answer is 140. 10 times 6. I don't need a wall or anything. You remember table 10? You put the number as it is and you add a 0. So the answer will be 10 times 6 is 60. Yes, super.